Hello everyone, Miss Sawicki here. I'm just giving you a tutorial on how you're going to get on to Coast to Coast. This is that program that I told you about when we started the semester and how much you're going to love it. It's got a culmination of all of the skills that you've learned in family management so far. You'll get to use in this program. So let's get started. You're going to open a Google window. You're going to put in cwpubonline.com. Okay, cwpubonline.com. When this window opens up with all your choices, you're going to go to the student login. Okay, and this is what your screen's going to look like. What you need to do is there's a toolbar when you first start. Okay, you'll need to find your state, which is Pennsylvania. You'll need to find the school district, which is Solanco. I already have that in. You'll find Solanco High School. Click this little box here, and that'll remember all that information, and you won't have to do that every time. Then you're going to come down here to your username. Your username is exactly what you use for your school. So I'm going to be using Austin's so I can show you the student version. So put your first name in, underscore last name. Then you're going to come down here to your password, and it's going to be the same as you do for school. Okay? If you can't remember or you're having trouble logging in, you can reach out to me. I have all of your information and I'll be able to send it to you. Once you do that, you're going to get where it's asking simulations. It wants you to choose a simulation. The only one I have open to you right now is On Your Own, Coast to Coast. So I want you to click that. Okay, and then we're going to begin. This is the window that's going to open next. It's going to ask you for you to put your name in. Okay, so I'll put in Mrs. S. You want to click a new game because it's your first time. When you save what you've worked on, you can always go to load a game and it'll ask you which one you want to load. Okay, so we're going to new game. The length of the simulation, I want you to do 12 months. So please click 12 months. It's going to ask you if you would like to include real-life math problems in your simulation. You're going to say yes, math. Okay. Then it's going to ask, how would you like to play? Something random where they assign you where you live, how much you make, and things like that. Or do you want to entirely pick your own? So we're going to do pick your own. You get to pick your salary. I'm going to say about $45,000 a year is comfortable. You can pick any salary you'd like. Then they show you a picture of the United States, and you can choose where you want to live. Do you want to live in Massachusetts or Maine? That probably might be. New York. Do you want to live in North Carolina? Do you want to live in any other states? I'm going to pick Texas. Okay. So up here, they've decided to give you a biweekly gross pay of $1,730 a week, or biweekly, that's every 2 weeks. You pay a federal income tax of 9.48. You have a state income tax of 0. The population is this number, sales tax. Your average apartment rent is $693. Cost of living is about $85, etc. And it gives you some information, okay? So you're going to move in. It says that you have just made a life-changing decision, that you've decided to leave the security of your home and live on your own. It says that you have a job waiting for you and some money in the bank to help you get started when you get there. Your old car is packed full and you have a small U-Haul trailer that you're pulling with all your personal possessions. Okay, so let's play. And it'll load your game. All right, now I'm going to explain what you're seeing here. Up here you have your money. So you have a debit card with $3,500 on it. So that's like your checking account. Then you have a credit card with $2,893 and change that you can use if you need to buy something on credit, okay? Down here, you have certain buttons that you're able to press. If you click your budget button, it'll show you all the months that you can click down and what your budget is, how much you pay. Right now, we don't pay much of anything because I haven't set anything up yet, okay? So to go back, you'll X. As far as spending, same thing. You have taxes, Social Security, your food bill, your insurance, and as you play the game, these numbers will change, okay? When you're looking to save, you're going to go down here and make sure that you save. Every time you log off your session, you need to save. Otherwise, you have to start all over. And I want you to get through a whole year, okay? So this is how we play. We have this little iPhone here. You have apartments, okay? So you can decide to lease an apartment because if you don't, they're making you pay for a hotel, okay? So you can decide if you want to get a roommate or if you want to live alone, all right? But we'll go back to home and you can decide that later. You have banking. If you need, these are a couple different banks. If you need to take a loan, you know, or anything like that, and that might come up later. You have bills. These are the bills that you are going to have to pay, okay? And they change as you go. So let's start. So they give you a shopping list. It's $32.35. They tell you what you picked up. And I want to pay it now. So then they ask you, you need to pay either with your debit card or credit card. You always want to use money that you have versus credit. Okay, so I'm going to pick my debit card. All you have to do is click the debit card and it automatically takes the money away. Okay, and it also made a check mark over here. So you need to buy groceries because you have 0 meals. So let's go grocery shopping. It says that 1 month's worth of groceries is 93 meals that you need to put in your pantry. You must have at least 21 meals in your pantry to move on to next week. So let's put 25 meals in. Okay? So I make the purchase. What would you like to use? It's $69.75. Let's use the debit. Okay? So now I'm good. I'm going to close the grocery. That checks that off. And it wants to know about gas. You have to get gas for your car. So it says here that you have a 2011 Honda Fit and you need about 10 gallons of gas. So let's put 10 to fill it up. And oh, it says that I exceeded the cap. Okay, so maybe there's some gas in there. Let's do 8. All right, so $20.26. Let's take it out of debit. Okay. All right, so life happens in this section. You have to select 5 of these question marks in order to move on to the next week. So let's just pick one at random. Life happened. If you have 12% of your biweekly net pay, how much will you save? So you have to think about, or let's see, how would I get to what my net pay is? You can go back. Let's go to bills. Nope, wouldn't be bills. And sometimes this is going to happen. Okay, budget. Let's go to budget. Okay. Doesn't tell me where my net pay is. Oh, yeah, it is. Here's my monthly income. Okay, so grab a calculator, and I have $3,461.54. Divide that by 2 because it's bi-weekly. Give me 1 second. All right, so I have about 1730. 1730 is my, let's return to that question. So 12%, so I'm going to take the 1,730 times it by 0.012, and that gives me 2076. So I'm going to subtract 2076. All right, let's just take a guess. Let's go 165. Oh, I was wrong. So it wasn't correct. It was answer B. Okay. So it took some life points. Life points are up here. As you make good decisions, you gain life points. Okay. But it's no big deal. So I didn't get that one. So go on to another one. Okay. You rolled the dice and lucked out. All right. So that one I got away with having to do nothing. Here's another one. Life happens. Which of these would not describe a bank loan? A privilege, a right, an obligation, a commitment. Well, we know it's a commitment. Privilege it is, an obligation it is, so it's not a right. Okay, good. So I got that one right, and I ended up gaining 200 points. Okay. All right, let's see. We have 2 more to go. All right, life happens. You have an important project with a deadline that you don't think you're going to be able to finish on time unless you work long hours. What should you do? This is decision making. Ask the deadline to be changed, put in the extra hours to get the job done. As soon as you evaluate the problem, see a problem. I'm going to say this one, and I was correct. Okay, so I gained 400 points for that. All right. Last one. You've told maintenance 3 times over the past 2 weeks that your air conditioner is not working properly. It still has not been looked at. What should you do? Keep calling maintenance until it's fixed. Complain to the landlord. Call a repairman and have it fixed yourself. Withhold the next month's rent until it is fixed, or call the housing authority. So what do you think you should do there? I would say if I've called that many times and it's not being fixed, I would complain to the landlord. Okay, and that was good. All right, so after you do that, you move on. And it will load next week. Up, it says you have charged $100. You're being charged $100 a night, $700 a week for a motel room with a kitchenette. So this is where maybe your next step is to look at apartments. Okay? All right, so as I said, it walks you through a lot of what you need to do. Don't forget, here's your banking, so keep an eye on that. When you need to go back to your other screen, you hit home. Don't forget, it is going to be beneficial to make sure that you're looking at insurances. If you want to entertain and go out, there's restaurants and movies. You'll have utilities to pay if you want to invest money here. If you need to buy clothes, you'll be going shopping, etc. Okay, so have fun with it. You will have such a great time. You really will. Please make sure that you remember to go down here to the save. It's going to tell you that your game was saved. Okay, and then you can quit as long as your game was saved. What's going to happen is I will be grading participation-wise and seeing how you do when we are done with this, okay? So you have until June 5th, unless you're a senior, then you have till the 31st to get as far as you can within that year. I would like to be checking that year and seeing how you made out and how you budgeted, etc. Okay, because you have a year's worth here. All right, but you see how the numbers changed as you start doing things. Okay, so have a great time with it. I think you'll really enjoy it. I hope this was helpful to you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.